What's up, my fellow crypto addicts? Nine of all trades here. Deciding to make my first video on the Ichimoku cloud that we've been using in the stream. It's been down for a few days now, and I have to serve out a 90-day suspension for some content issues, I guess. I had some good music playing that they probably didn't like. So I'm going to make some videos here and hopefully help you guys out. And as always, if you have any questions, leave me a message down there, or you can hit me up on Twitter at 9ofalltrades, just as it sounds. So those of you that are new, if you don't have a TradingView account, go ahead to tradingview.com, sign up. It is free. And to add the Ichimoku Indicator, you're going to click on the Indicator tab up there. Type in that, Ichimoku Cloud, and it'll pop up. At first, it's going to be quite intimidating. You see a bunch of lines here. Some green, some red. That's what we're going to go through in this video, and what kind of settings we need and what we're looking for. All right, you'll notice in the top left there, Ichimoku with some numbers. You can click on the format. It's going to pop open this box. These are the basic settings for Ichimoku, but for crypto, since it is 24, I've been using some different settings. So right now we're just going to throw these in as 20, 60, 120, and 30. And I'll go over what that means right now. So it's going to just change it up a little bit. All right, now that we changed the settings, let's go ahead and go over what each of it means. The conversion line and the baseline, also called the Tikinson, the Kijinson, the TS and KS, as I like to call it, or the TK, whichever terminology you want to go with. And that's the blue and maroon line you see here. These are calculated the same way, except one is faster and one is slower. In our case, the TS is 20 periods and the KS is 60 periods. So whatever time frame you're on, this case is the hour chart. The TS is gonna calculate the high plus the low divided by 2, the last 20 hours, and the KS will calculate that for the last 60 hours. And then as you go further in time, if you go to the day chart, that'll be 20 days, 60 days. All right, let's move our attention now to the cloud. We changed our settings to 120. So basically what that means is whatever time frame you're looking at, this cloud is going to be double that time frame. This is the 1 hour chart, so this cloud corresponds to the 2 hour time frame. If you're looking at the 4 hour, then this cloud corresponds to the 8 hour. What this does, it helps us find uptrends and downtrends. You can see when the price does come in the cloud, that's usually the so-called support and resistance areas. All right, the last thing we have to cover is called the Chikous, or the CS. This is known as the lagging indicator, and unlike the cloud, which goes 30 sticks into the future, this goes 30 sticks into the past. And this calculates the closing price of that past candle. So if we go 30 sticks back here to 12.5 at 7 a.m., we can look at the price. Price closed about 11,779, and the CS is above it. So this indicates just a quick glance, which makes Ichimoku so nice, is that the trend is up. Now, if we go over here, there is where all the noise is. You can see the CS starts to break down here, and it's a clear indicator that it's coming down. All right, so I mean, just a quick example to show you what you can do here. Let's just draw this line here. If we zoom in, you'll see the CS is just kind of bouncing around. So if we take it from here where it breaks that line, we'll go 30 sticks into the future. So right on this candle, the next candle, the CS would have broke out. So that's a good possible entry there, or rebuy, whatever your position would be. But this is just one of the many things that we can look for to get in and to get out of positions. Yeah, that pretty much covers the 4 components that make up the Ichimoku. I hope it's a little bit easier now for everyone to see what's going on. I know at first it is pretty wild on the chart. You see a bunch of lines and squigglies and such. But as this series develops, I'll start getting into what we use the TK for, the TS for, etc. in the clouds, what we're looking for. This actually isn't how I have my chart set up, so I'll just give you guys a peek here for anyone that wasn't in the stream. This is a little messy, so my TK and TS are the yellow and blue lines, and the CS is this aqua colored line here. Yeah, so I mean, we're gonna try to mix in a bunch of different things here. I'll just give you an example here that I've been watching is Vertcoin. This is Ichimoku mixed with some Elliott wave theory, Fibonacci level. It's kind of all the same thing. You can see here, this is considered a cloud breakout, and it came up and it shot back down to 50 fib level. Again, this could be confusing to some, so don't worry about it. But this is the type of stuff that I want to teach you guys if you want to learn. So I hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Give me some likes, and I'll talk to you guys soon.